Patrick says, Ace and Rich, why do affiliate marketers fail? Do you think it is hard to do affiliate marketing?
It's not hard. It's different.
It's not hard.
And
It's different.
because when you get into this world of affiliate marketing,
Yeah.
it's a whole new animal. It's a whole new world. It's not a job, of course. It's definitely a business. But a lot goes into it as far as understanding the different skill sets. And also the mindset has to be very, very strong. This is like the most important thing. If I could pick one thing that's the most important, because anybody can learn a skill set, but a mindset, that is tricky because people respond differently to different circumstances of their own circumstances that they're going through. When we started, we had our own circumstances we were going through, right? We were homeless, lived in Motel 6, we had nowhere to live. Everybody has their circumstances, but if you have your mindset really strong, like we had, you can get out of it, right? So it's not that it's hard, it's that you have to really become that person that people want to be attracted to. That's why we talk about the branding aspect. We talk about the attraction factor with attraction marketing and things like that. If you really focus on that transitioning of the person that you must become in order for you to get the results that you're looking for, you're going to see a difference in your business. If you look at your business in a way like, okay, I got to focus on making money, and you never develop any skill sets, you're going to be spinning your wheels for a very long time until you really come to grips like, you know what, I need to learn marketing, right? Because a lot of people, they avoid wanting to learn marketing when in reality, when they do that, they're concentrating on the wrong things. All right? Start concentrating on the right things when you first get started. Start saying, look, I got to learn how to build an audience. I have to learn how to engage with the audience and know how to sell to the audience, right? And this is why you're here. It's why we answer certain questions like traffic, right? We talk about conversions. We talk about different things that is all about you build something, you engage, and then you sell, right? We talked about incentives, that's selling, you see? So there's different skill sets you must develop. And so don't beat yourself up if it feels like it's difficult in the very beginning. It's just different. I never really ever said affiliate marketing was hard. I never said it was difficult. I always said, you know what? This is different. I just don't understand it yet. And once I understand it, I know I'm going to get results. One of the best books that I read was Mike Diller, Magnetic Sponsoring. And it taught me that it wasn't about you trying to make a sale. It was about you becoming the person to be attracted to the marketplace where you attract people to you. In other words, now you become the hunted and you're not going out there and being the hunter all the time.